In this video, we'll be talking about the Slate Edge Credit Card and we'll be reviewing it if it's the best card for building credit. So this is the card that we're talking about. Here's the Slate Edge and you can see that it has a very good design. But designs aside, does it offer really good benefits? So let's talk about that. So as you can see, it has an introductory APR of 0% for 18 months on purchases and balance transfer, which makes it good for loan or debt consolidation. So you can see that it has no annual fee, which is also good. However, it has a balance transfer fee of $5 or 3% of the transfer amount, whichever is greater within 60 days of the activation. The APR reduction also has a potential 2% reduction annually with timely payments in $1,000 spent. So for the credit limit increase, you're eligible after spending $500 and making timely payments in the first 6 months. So considering that, what are the other benefits? So actually is beneficial for building credit because it focuses on credit building through responsible payment habits as actually mentioned earlier. It also offers purchase protection and extended warranty. It also includes access to Chase Credit Surety for monitoring credit health. So for consideration, it typically requires a good credit score of around 670 and above, and it's also subjected to Chase 524 rule. So all in all, it's really good if you're having a debt consolidation or if you're using it for your business. However, it doesn't offer any kind of reward, so that may be a drawback for you that you need to think about. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.